After enjoying the beautiful Cubbon Park, I was craving for a cup of coffee, so got one at this outlet
Now full recharge.
and continued my journey further south of Bangalore and reached Lalbagh Botanical Gardens. The entry fee here was 30 rupees.
Lalbagh is a 240-acre botanical garden. It was commissioned in the 18th century. The garden features a variety of plant, flowers, and exotic trees. It is also a home to a glass house which hosts an annual flower show.
I also found a small mountain, climbed up, and made a few friends.